Hey guys, welcome back to Thread and Glue Designs. Guess what arrived? Yes, yes, it is dun, 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 our Sketchbox subscription box for the month of April. Let's dig in and see what's inside. It's always so fun getting new supplies. Oh, it looks promising. Take out the papers. Okay, where's our card at? Oh, it says, unfortunately, due to carrier delay, we didn't receive our product list and featured artist cards in time this month, but we wanted you to have all your supplies on the same schedule. So we've hosted them electronically for you. Please scan the QR code or head over to www.getsketchbox.com/inserts to view them. We apologize for the inconvenience and they'll be back next month. We appreciate your understanding and we can't wait to see your art this month. Well, that was sweet for him to let us know. Oh, this box is looking yummy. Okay, for our substrate this month, we have got a Fluid 100 hot press finish watercolor pad. And that is in a 4 by 7 size. It is 100% cotton and it is a block. Oh, I love blocks. That will be nice. Very nice. Then, we have a Caran Dash water brush. Oh, it's not a brush actually, it's a foam on the end. That's interesting. I look forward to trying that and seeing how it works for it. Be my first time having one like that. We have our cute little Sketchbox sticker. And let's see, we have a Faber-Castell Pit Artist pen brush, walnut brown. Oh, that ought to be very useful. Very useful. Nice. Oh, we have an Ecoline liquid watercolor, and it's 505 is the number. Doesn't say the color, but I'm expecting blue, kinda. I don't know. It's by Royal Talons. So we'll check that out and see what we can play with. Oh, my favorite. I'm so excited, guys. I just got a set of these from Spectrum Arts, and now I have three new ones. This is the Rose Pink, Jasmine, and Tulip, and Tricolor by Spectrum Noir Aqua. And this one is Gold, Crimson, and Sunset. Oh, that should be fun. And our final one is Bud Green, Meadow, and Verdant Green. Very nice. That would be awesome for some leaves. I'm excited, guys. These are all very useful products this month. That's amazing. So let me know what you think about the box and what you think we should do with it. And let's do some art with it. I'll come back and try to do something with you for this month's video. So I hope you guys are enjoying your Sketchbox for the month of April, and I will look forward to seeing what you create. Um, Hashtag me in it so I can come over and see. But leave me comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here. Welcome. I'm so glad you're joining me. And we are going to do some fun, artsy, crafty things on this channel. That is the name of the game, for sure. So you guys come back and see me real soon. I know this is a short little video, but it was pretty self-explanatory this time. So um, just let me know what your thoughts are, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, guys.